and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to install fonts on your Mac. To do this, the first step is to go to Google and Google fonts for Mac. Fonts for Mac. Normally, this website FontSpace is the best and you will find a lot of fonts on it. When you find a font that you like it, you just download the font. And when you download your font, it will be available in the download space as a zip file. You just need to double click on it so it will open and you will find this this content inside it. Don't do anything, just go to the launchpad and go to the search bar and write font. You will find this application called Fontbook. It's available on all the Mac models with no exception. Just click on it and it will open this window for you. When this window is open, you go to all fonts and right click on it, and after that choose add fonts to all fonts. And after that it will open. For example, for me, you need to go to the file where your fonts are available. For me, for example, inside this folder there is a lot of fonts. I can install them one by one or install them all at one time. For example, I will install this Apple Storm Extra Bold, and after you select the font that you want to download, click on open and wait for a few seconds. And now my font is installed. When I go to my fonts, I will find Apple Storm with two style, the bold one and the normal one. I already installed the normal one, and now I installed this one, the bold one. So like that, you can install fonts on your Mac. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.